Welcome to today's painting lesson from Acrylic Arts Academy. In this tutorial, we're painting a cherry blossom tree in spring, a peaceful landscape featuring soft mountains, fluffy clouds, and a blooming tree filled with pink blossoms. Before we begin, please pause the video and gather your supplies. Everything you'll need is listed in the description below. Once you're ready, let's get started. Begin by squeezing small amounts of cobalt blue, sky blue, titanium white, burnt umber, and sap green directly onto your canvas in the pattern shown. Using a slightly damp large flat brush, begin spreading and blending the colors from top to bottom using horizontal strokes. Work slowly and allow the colors to merge naturally. Continue blending until the background transitions smoothly between the sky and the lower portion of the canvas. Take your time with this step, as a calm and even background will help the rest of the painting feel balanced. Next, load a Filbert brush with titanium white and paint a soft mountain shape in the upper half of the canvas. Keep the edges slightly uneven so the mountain feels natural. Gently blend the edges into the sky so the mountain appears distant and atmospheric rather than sharp. Using the same brush and white paint, add clouds above the mountain. Use light tapping and small circular motions to create soft, fluffy shapes. Blend some edges gently into the sky while leaving other areas thicker so the clouds feel natural and dimensional. Pause for a moment and observe the balance of the sky before moving forward. The clouds should feel soft and relaxed across the background. Now mix burnt umber with a small amount of black on your palette. Using a Filbert brush, paint the main tree trunk in the lower portion of the canvas. Keep the base thicker and gradually narrow the trunk as it moves upward. Allow the trunk to curve slightly as it grows upward so the tree feels natural and organic. Switch to a long bristle liner brush loaded with the same color mixture. Begin adding branches and stems extending from the trunk. Let the branches spread outward and upward in different directions. Vary their length and thickness so the tree develops a natural structure. Remember that branches usually grow thinner as they extend outward. Now prepare the blossoms. On a separate surface, place small amounts of magenta, pink, and titanium white. Bundle several cotton buds together using a rubber band or thread. Dip one side of the bundle into magenta, another side into pink, and the remaining tips into white paint. Begin gently stamping the cotton buds along the branches to create clusters of blossoms. Rotate the bundle slightly after each tap so the shapes vary naturally. Continue stamping across the branches until the tree fills with soft pink and white flowers. Use deeper magenta tones in some areas to suggest shade and lighter white tones in others to highlight parts of the canopy. Take your time layering these colors. The variety of tones will help the blossoms feel soft and lively. Next, stamp a few blossoms onto the ground beneath the tree to suggest fallen petals. Scatter them lightly so the effect feels natural. Return to your liner brush with the burnt umber and black mixture and add a few additional small branches that weave through the blossoms. This allows parts of the tree structure to remain visible within the flowers. Using the same liner brush, introduce touches of light green in the foreground to create scattered grass and small leaves among the fallen blossoms. Keep these strokes loose and light so they complement the blossoms rather than overpower them. As a final step, add small highlights and details to the tree trunk using yellow ochre to give it warmth and dimension. Apply the highlights gently along one side of the trunk and branches to suggest light touching the bark. Step back, review the balance of color and contrast across the painting, and allow your artwork to dry completely. Great work today, and thank you for painting with Acrylic Arts Academy. If you enjoyed this tutorial, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to Acrylic Arts Academy for more easy, relaxing painting lessons every week. We also want to say a heartfelt thank you to our Acrylic Arts Academy supporter members. Your support helps us keep these tutorials free and accessible for everyone. And if you're ready to continue learning with us beyond today's tutorial, you're always welcome to explore our free challenges and our full Paint Your Own Happiness program at acrylicartsacademy.com/free courses. Thank you so much for painting with us. We can't wait to see what you create next.